We use Granda because we were recommended from someone else to use it, and we had a lot of corrosion and calcifying problems, and we found this fixed our problems. The reason why we're using the Granda now is we've found we've got a cost saving because we're not pulling our machines down as often. Machines are nice and clean inside. We've found our pipes are no longer clogging up or having corrosion bits and pieces in them. And our tower is completely clean. The water's drinkable. The biggest benefit we've got is we have no bacterial problems and we are using no chemicals. We're using Granda in our swimming pool at home now. Over Christmas period we found we had a lot of people through this pool. It's been nice and clear, no odours, no sore eyes, and everyone seemed to enjoy it.
Behind me here is a cooling tower that we've been treating here for about 12 months. It's from BK Plastics. It's one of many cooling towers that we're treating throughout Australia. What we do with cooling towers basically is we take out all the chemicals and rely on the water's solvency to stop calcification and corrosion. These towers don't need cleaning. We've been running some cooling towers for 8 years. They've never been cleaned. Their plate counts are what we call 10 to the 1 to 10 to the 3, which means they're a fraction of the bacteria count of a normal cooling tower. The biggest advantage of cooling towers and doing this sort of thing is that we also can recycle the water. This water behind me is drinkable in every sense of the word. We wouldn't drink it necessarily, but we could put it into irrigation, we can put it into other manufacturing products, which we do in other companies. Some of the companies now are recycling their water 2 and 3 times back through products and back through the cooling tower again. By removing chemicals from cooling towers and boilers and other such equipment in factories, we are not only saving the environment from chemicals, we now can save all this water, this recycled water. All of a sudden, it's no longer wastewater. It's no longer having to go down the stormwater drains and cause problems, and we can now use it throughout the factory. We can probably save 50, 60, 70% of factories' water in a lot of cases.